No Easy Start versus Easy Start. What should you buy? Easy Start does not mean the machine will start easier. All it means, there's a spring assisted pulley that when you pull on the rope, it helps you to build the momentum and you do not have to put that much force on it. Still has their own version of this, and Askia has their own version of this as well. Usually you would think it would be on a massive machine that you need the Easy Start, but it's actually more on smaller machines that they put it for homeowners, older people, to make it easy on the body to pull it, that they don't have to yank on it, and it's user friendly. So I'm going to show you my two machines. This one has the Easy Start system. This one is normal. Both are going to be a cold start. I'm going to do the procedure and you will see the difference in the pulling. So first of all, let's use the steel. I'm going to put it on, I'm going to prime it, I'm going to put it on full choke, and I'll show you the pulling difference. Here you're going to have a much longer pull, and it has resistance all the way. Okay, that's a cold start, so now we're going to flip off the choke. Note the long pull, it has a constant resistance all the way. Now we're going to move over to an Easy Start, and you will notice the difference immediately. Like I said, I don't mind this Easy Start or not, but I can see the advantages for older people. Let's just prime this husky. It has a primer bulb at the bottom. Flip up the choke. Now notice the short stroke. It's having a bad day. So let's do that again because it's warmed up now. You will see you have your initial short piece and then a bit of resistance, and then the spring takes over. So it's an initial slower resistance, higher resistance, and then the spring picks it up and helps you out. So I hope this helps you to decide between an Easy Start version of a machine or a normal starting. Like I say, it works perfect for older people, or if you don't have that power to pull that machine, then I would go for that. Hope the video helped. See you in the next one. Enjoy.